The right group, Roy speaking. How can I help?
Hello?
Hello, how can I help you?
I'm a doctor.
Sorry?
Doctor.
Lock, right?
Yes?
Were you looking for a locksmith or a plumber?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Do you mind if I take your postcode?
You're looking for what?
Would it be okay if I take your postcode, please?
What's your name?
My name's Roy.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, we can...
How you spell?
My name is R for Romeo, O for Oscar, Y for Yankee.
Yes?
But, I mean, I can't really promise...
What the last name?
You know what I mean? I mean, if you would do something
Sorry?
without their permission...
What the last name?
Well, what can I do to help you?
So, I mean...
Huh?
Yeah, just say, we're still waiting for him.
Who are you looking for? I can hear.
Yeah, how can I help you?
Can you please say again?
The earliest possible day. That nobody actually can do.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you so well.
So, do you think that customer feels like that is...
What the last name?
You want my last name?
It's actually up to you.
Yes?
How quickly it's going to be sorted.
What would you need that for, please?
You need some help?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's understandable. Well, you've done your best, and if she calls us...
Okay, so are you looking for a locksmith or a plumber?
The only problem is it's 1:30.
Yes?
I don't know if I will...
And was it a locksmith?
Yeah.
Yes?
To be honest, we send them the quote...
Right, what was your postcode?
What are you looking for?
Sorry?
Who are you looking for?
So it really depends.
Who am I looking for?
You know, if it's going through so many different companies,
Yes?
it will take longer. So that, on the other side, solar glass, they want to...
I'm sorry, I can't understand what you need.
So it should be to, you know, to do it as quick as they can. And we are just...
Can you please say again?
Not our decision.
How can I help you?
Why?
Yeah, to be honest...
You.
You know, we obviously don't want you to look bad.
Just a moment.
Hello, can I help you?
Hello? I'm a doctor.
You're locked out. Well, if I could take the postcode, I'll see if we can help you.
Yes?
So what's the postcode?
What are you looking for? Can you please say again?
Looking for the postcode to help you find a locksmith because you're locked out. Would you like a locksmith?
Yes?
So what's the postcode?
Why?
If you can't give me the postcode, then I can't help you, and I'll have to hang up the phone, I'm afraid.
No, I am in the jail.
I'll speak to them now. I'll see if I can get...